Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to assemble your brand new Ariens Compact-series Sno-Thro. If you purchase your Sno-Thro online through a national retail chain store this season, it could show up in your driveway like this, the same crate that we boxed it up in at our factory in Brillion, Wisconsin. And though I'm certain the thought of some assembly required isn't the most appealing to you, I'm here to walk you through the easy step-by-step setup procedure. Trust me, if I can do this, so can you. So as long as you have your gloves and your safety goggles ready, let's begin. Cut the bands and open the top of the crate. Remove the setup guide from the envelope adhered to the discharge chute, then remove the chute from the crate and set the chute aside. Each Sno-Thro comes with a pictorial assembly guide that can be referenced when assembling this unit. These instructions are a duplicate of the material we're covering in this video. You'll notice the setup guide calls out a few tools. For this procedure, you'll need a socket wrench, a 3/8 inch socket, a 7/16 inch socket, a 1/2 inch deep socket, a 9/16 inch socket, a needle nose pliers, and a cutting tool. Remove the cardboard inserts from the crate. You'll need to remove the cleanout tool from the top of the housing to remove one of the cardboard pieces, but once that piece is removed, return the cleanout tool to its holder. Remove the chute rotation rod from the crate and set it aside. Continue removing the cardboard inserts from the crate and tear down the crate's walls. Tear the cardboard off the crate base to reduce the tripping hazard and to give yourself easier access to the unit. Remove the packaging from the hand grips. The clutch levers will spring back when the packaging is removed. Cut the zip tie between the dash panel and the rest of the unit. Loosen, but do not remove the hardware retaining the upper handlebar assembly to the lower handlebars. Also loosen the shift rod hardware. Move the shift lever into the detent farthest to the left. Slowly rotate the handlebar assembly into the upright position while making sure the shift rods don't bind. Tighten the handlebar hardware and ensure the upper handlebar assembly is secure. Align the upper shift rod with the lower shift rod hardware set and tighten the shift rod hardware. Remove the hardware from the chute mounting bracket and set it aside. Install the chute over the base, align the pedestal with the mounting bracket, and reinstall the hardware removed in the previous step. At this point, we're only going to finger tighten the hardware because we want the chute to remain loose. Remove the tapping screw retaining the gear cover to the chute pedestal and remove the cover. Remove the spring clip from the chute gear hub. This is easiest by pushing on the end of the spring clip with the needle nose pliers. Pull some of the plastic back and insert the chute rotation rod through the bushing under the dash panel and into the chute gear hub. Align the holes in the rod with the holes in the gear hub and reinstall the spring clip. Now we can tighten the chute hardware. Reinstall the chute gear cover to the chute pedestal with its original screw. Install the chute cable hanger onto the chute rotation rod and position the cable end on top of the lower handlebars. Move the chute deflector lever to the rearmost detent on the dash panel. Remove the hairpin and the bushing from the deflector lever under the dash. Pull the rubber boot away from the cable anchor and insert the anchor into the anchor bracket. Install the cable eyelet onto the deflector lever and reinstall the bushing and hairpin removed earlier. Check the function of the chute rotation rod and the chute deflector lever. Remove the auger gear case fill plug and check that the gear case has oil. Gear case oil is dark red and should appear at the bottom of the plug. If no gear case oil is present, set this unit aside and contact Ariens customer support. If oil is present in the gear case, reinstall the fill plug and tighten. Push the handlebars down and move the unit off the crate pallet. The higher you raise the housing, the easier it is to move the unit off the pallet. Remove the cleanout tool from the housing and remove the plastic. Reinstall the cleanout tool and continue removing the plastic from the top of the engine, the dash panel, and from the back of the engine. Remove the literature pack that's hanging off the handlebars. The literature pack contains the operator's manual, engine manual, and other important resources. Remove the dipstick from the engine and verify the oil level is correct. The oil level should be within the markings on the dipstick, but if no oil is present or if the oil level is outside the markings on the dipstick, do not start the unit and contact the retailer where you purchased your unit from. See, I told you that was going to be easy. Now before you start throwing snow, do a final walk around of your product. If you notice any quality issues like damage or missing parts, contact the retailer where you purchased your unit from for replacements. But if your Sno-Thro was everything you expected, register your new unit at ariens.com/registration. For help registering your new product, find the product registration instructional video on the Ariens YouTube channel. And finally, if you guys like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the subscribe button to be notified whenever we share a new video that shows you how to service or use your Ariens Sno-Thro.